Have you ever stopped to think about your personality? How is your personality? Actually, your personality is your identity. And your personality comes the way you think, feel, and behave. Every one of us leads two different lives. One is our personal life, and the other is our professional life. And you know, these two lives are interrelated. So if you want to grow your personality, then you at first manage your personal life. Today in this video, I'm going to share two different tips for you. And also, I want to give you 5 different challenges for 30 days. If you successfully go through these 5 challenges for 30 days, I can assure you, you can grow your personality. So stay with me in this video till the end and learn all the tips that I'm going to share in this particular video. If you're first time in my channel, then I want to request you to subscribe my channel and be the part of this mission to develop our personality. So let's get started. So here is the first tip for today. Be disciplined. We all are advised since our childhood that be disciplined. But you think from the morning when we wake up till the night when we go to bed, in between we do so many activities. And if you stop to ask yourself that how much time you are disciplined to do your different activities, most of the time we remain answerless because we don't know whether we are disciplined or not. So here I'm going to give you 5 challenges. So let's start the first one. Spend 15 to 20 minutes time for writing journals every day. What is journal? You start writing your programs, your plans, your aim, your goals. You write it number-wise, 1, 2, 3, 4. And also write down the steps how you can achieve your goals. This will help you to see your ways to reach your goal. And this also will give you confidence. You know exactly in which direction you are moving at. So take a diary and a pen and write down those points that you think these are essential for your life. Here is number 2. Start to practice exercise in every morning, at least for 30 minutes. Either you can go to field or you go to gym, but start doing exercise, because this exercise will grow your mental health as well as your physical health. And overall, it will boost your personality. Here is number 3. Start reading books every day, at least 30 minutes. What kind of books should you read? This is a question. I suggest you to read the life development books. If you read the life development books, you can learn how you can manage your personal life. Because we mostly ignore our personal life. If you cannot manage your personal life, it is very difficult to grow personality in your professional life. So try to read those books. They will give you a lot of lessons about your life development skills. And only then we can grow our personality in our profession. Here is number 4. Start practice public speaking. How can you do it? You can start practicing at home in front of a mirror. Choose a topic and start speaking on that particular topic, seeing yourself on the mirror. It may sound silly, but I can tell you, if you practice it, you can grow your confidence. Whenever you meet anybody or in a group, you can feel very confident to express yourself. You can be expressive. Your body language can be better. You know how to interact yourself, especially when you have no fumble in your speaking. So it will help you to grow your personality in a community. So start public speaking. This will grow your personality surely. And here is number 5. Start to listen properly to people. In next 30 days, whenever you meet a person or anyone, start to listen him properly. Listen with the intent to understand him. Don't be judgmental. Just listen him, and this will give the message to the other person that you are someone whom can be trusted. your personality to that person will be grown high. So these 5 challenges, if you practice them in next 30 days from today, you can see the 31st day will be a great day for you. It will be a new age of your life, because all the habits that you grow within these 30 days will change your personality. This will make you disciplined. Your personal life will be more attractive, and its effect will be in your professional life. So practice this very properly. Here is the second tip for you. Grow a new hobby. Well, we all are very much busy in our personal life. You see, whether you are a student or a serviceman or a housewife or a businessman, whoever you are busy in your personal world. And this busyness makes you stressful. Your life will be so difficult to carry forward sometimes. You can be depressed. So when you grow a hobby, this will give you relaxation. You can choose any kind of hobby. You can play an instrument, or you can go for a traveling, or you can spend some time in the garden with the plants and flowers, or you can start singing or dancing, or whatever you think that can make you relaxed. Because the more you become relaxed, it will grow your happiness. You will be happy from inside, and it will reflect in your personality. So your hobby directly or indirectly make your personality very charming towards others. So grow a new hobby for you. So for today, these are the 2 tips for you. So we are in a mission of growing our personality. So please be the part of this mission to grow your personality. That's all for now. Meet you very soon with some other important tips and tricks on personality development. Till then, goodbye and stay happy.